All right, if you have made a repair to your washing machine, particularly with the 6 LEDs here and the start button, you likely need to calibrate. And even if you've just moved your washing machine, most don't know that if you've just moved it, relocated it in the house, moved between houses, you need to recalibrate to get it back on balance. All right, on this unit, to get into the service diagnostic mode, we got to kind of spin to reset and start here at 9. And then we need to go up 3, back 1, and then back 1. And you'll get all the lights blinking. And then to go into calibration mode, you want to roll until only rinse is illuminated, and then press start. And you'll sort of get this sequence, lid will lock, and it will begin the calibration mode test. It's going to go through various cycles, stopping, starting. Kind of goes a little crazy, but does its thing, and it will be finished when all the lights are out and the lid lock is off. Definitely make sure to do this anytime have moved it, serviced it, even if you just take it out to work on the flooring